What's up, guys? Today we're back in with another video. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this video today. So we're gonna show you guys how to glitch inside this vending machine right here. It's easy. All you gotta do is pick your M9 up. Oh, what do they? No, they don't. Okay, so just right in. And you make your way in eventually. See, that's what you guys gotta do. Wait, if you have an M9 or whatever gun, doesn't matter really. And yeah, so you do the same thing to get out of the trap. Push yourself through. Sometimes it's harder to do. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I showed you guys how to put inside the vending machine. It's very helpful. You can do the same one right here if you want me to. It's basically the same thing to do. And yeah, that's how you guys glitch inside the vending machine. It's very easy and simple to do. And yeah, guys, that's how you guys glitch inside the vending machine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, okay. But we'll end it when we're back in the cop room, because that guy's killing me. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, it really helps the channel grow. If you make my channel get up to 1,000 subscribers, then I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. So, yeah. As always, have a good day. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.